Today, your goal is I add fractions. So when we add fractions, we are thinking about our top number, which is our numerator, and our bottom number, which is our denominator. Okay, and what we need to remember is that our denominators need to be have the same number in order to add. And then all we do is we add our numerators. So what does that look like? If I have a problem like 3/4 plus 2/4, that is like 3/4 plus 2/4. I need to combine them. So my pieces haven't changed. I'm still in fourths. So I just need to count up how many are shaded in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I end up with 5/4. Now you can take this one step further, and I could take this and I could color it in over here. And this equals 1 whole and 1/4. So this could be 1 and 1/4 as well. So when we are adding, our denominators must be the same, and then we just add our numerators to figure out what our new number is. So here's another example. I have 3/8 plus 4/8. So our denominators are the same, so we can add them. So our bottom number, our denominator is 8, and then I just add 3 plus 4. And 3 plus 4 is 7, so I have the answer of 7/8. You can do this with any denominator. So if I have tenths, and I have 1/10 and 7/10, again, my denominator stays the same, and I do 1 plus 7, which is 8. So the important thing to remember is your denominator should be the same and stay the same in your answer. One of the biggest things, the biggest mistakes that kids make is we do 10 plus 10 here, and all of a sudden we have 28. No, thank you, not right. So please make sure that you keep your denominators as the number that they are when they started. So one last example, if we have 2/5 plus 3/5. So I keep my denominator the same as fifths, and now I have 2 plus 3, and 2 plus 3 is 5. Now, remember, if I have the same numerator and denominator, so in this case 5 and 5, that equals 1 whole. Because if I get 5/5 of something, I get the whole thing. So today, as you add fractions, remember this. Now we'll do a quick little review of subtracting fractions. So I subtract fractions. So the rules don't change here. Our denominators, or our bottom numbers, are going to stay the same. And now we're going to just subtract our top numbers. So if I have 7/8 minus 3/8, I still have eighths as my piece, and 7 minus 3 is 4. So my answer would be 4/8. We can do this with lots of different kinds of problems. So I could have 3/4 minus 2/4. So again, because I have fourths, my denominator stays as fourths, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So continue to practice this in your math review to show proficiency, because we'll soon be moving on to harder and grander things with fractions. Good luck. I look forward to seeing your work.